Most sales page don't fail because your product is bad. They fail because people don't trust them or they don't feel strong reason to act. In this video, I'm breaking down remaining and last powerful parts of high converting sales page, which is social proof, authority, scarcity, risk reversal, or call to action. These sections may look simple, but by the end of video, I will show how to write these sections in this way that connect with your reader and smoothly guide them toward yes. If your sales page is getting view but not sale, in this video I will share what actually missing. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because one small mistake in this section can silently hurt your conversion. And in the end of video I will share one bonus tip that most people ignore, but it can make a big difference how your sales page perform. Hey, I'm Hifsa and welcome to Copywriting with Hifsa. For the remaining section, you just need to follow the clear structure which I'm showing you step by step. Now let's move to the step number 7, social proof, authority. This part matters because there's always one question in your reader's mind: can I trust this person or this brand? People don't buy just because something looks good. They buy when they feel confident or safe, and the confidence comes from testimonial, review, client result, social media numbers, or brand experience. And if you're a beginner copywriter, don't worry, you are not writing for yourself, you're writing for your client or business, and they already have proof. Your job is just collect that proof and clearly place on sales page. And one important thing, proof does not have to live in one section. On many high converting sales page, it naturally shown throughout the sales page. So now let's move to the step 8, scarcity. Scarcity gives people reason to act now, not later. For example, limited time pricing, limited spot, short-term bonuses, or cart closing date. And one important thing, never fake scarcity. There is always a real reason behind the scarcity. For example, a launch, a limited batch, or event, or any celebration. Because people nowadays very smart, they can easily spot it if you're fake scarcity. And if your offer is evergreen, skip scarcity and focus on benefit and urgency. This is a section where your reader makes final decision whether buy from you or not. They are already interested. Now they are deciding if they trust you enough to take any kind of action. Here's come number 9, risk reversal. So answer their fear before they even ask. For example, return refund policy, or what happened after purchase, and how they will access the product, or support they will get, or next steps. Basically you are saying, don't worry, I have gotten you. And clear answer remove hesitation. In today's world, in today's market, trust is rare. So if they feel safe buy from you, it is easy for saying yes for them. So in the next slide you can watch this. Now check out the NordVPN sales page. The first prominent thing you see is get 76% off plus 3 extra months. That's the strong scarcity and urgency. Right under that there is the main CTA button, get NordVPN, and below it you can see the 30-day money back guarantee. That's the risk reversal. On the side the big minus 76% again reinforce scarcity, and right at the start the again show the CTA button. And as you scroll down, you will see customer reviews for their VPN service. Another get NordVPN button appears further down, keeping the call to action visible throughout this long page. And once again, the birthday deal is repeated, 76% off. So user don't miss it, because it's a long sales page. Repeating CTAs, reviews, and offers keeps people engaged and drive conversion. Check out the page yourself to see how they do it. Now let's move to the final step, step 10, which is call to action. CTA tells people exactly what to do next, and it should be clear, simple, and impossible to miss. For example, enroll now, get instant access, join the program, and start today. And one important thing, there's always one main CTA on the sales page, and repeat it if the sales page is long, but it should always lead to the same action. And one final button at the very bottom. In the next clip you can watch this. This is the famous content creator modern Millie sales page. Right at the start you see the first CTA, enroll now, and notice it's repeated throughout the page. Because the page is very long, next the reviews and testimonials appears in different forms, video, text, and screenshots skirted across the page, building the social proof. You can see that. You can also see scarcity in action. The total value of the program is $19,979, but today it's $1,597. That creates urgency. Finally, the risk reversals appear in the FAQ. Check out the last question. Do you offer a refund? Yes, a 40-day action-based guarantee. And you can also check out the risk reversal policy on the page. This sales page is a perfect example where you can see all 10 steps in action. So now it's time to share the bonus tips for the high converting sales page. Check your sales page after 1 to 2 days and read it loudly to spot flaws. For example, is it easy to skim? Are the headings clear? Does the message flows logically? Anything repeated? And keep words simple and easy, like try to write a 4th to 5th grade level. And check if the sales page is easy to read on the mobile, because most people read the sales page on the mobile. Alright, that's it for today's video. Give yourself thumbs up because we have completed step-by-step sales page series. Yes, we did it. If this video helped you, like, comment and share with your friend, and subscribe to this channel because it's really support my work and motivate me to create more content for you. And also let me know in the comments what you want me to teach you next, or what kind of video do you want to watch. See you in the next one. Bye bye.